Like most diesel engines, 2003 to 2009 Dodge Ram diesel, 5.9-liter and 6.7-liter engines are designed with large cooling systems that often operate at idle for long periods of time. In these applications, the electric fan clutch assembly is activated by the ECU when the engine heat reaches a high temperature or the AC head pressure reaches 240 to 270 pounds. Proper function of the electric fan clutch assembly is crucial to maintaining AC head pressure and a working AC system, especially when idle and even more importantly, in warm weather. If AC head pressure is not maintained, the compressor clutch may slip or burn, causing premature AC system failure. The problem happens when a transducer, located in the discharge line, reports AC head pressure to the ECU. The ECU uses this information to turn on and off the electric fan clutch assembly. In some cases, what appears to be a failed electric fan clutch assembly is rather a failed transducer. The solution to this is, before replacing a failed electric fan clutch assembly for the Dodge Ram diesel applications listed in this tech tip, check the transducer first. Although the electric fan clutch assembly may appear to be turning, it may not be working correctly due to a malfunctioning transducer. For more tech tips, visit gpdtechtips.com.